Is that me?
How many special things change?
I need you to come with us. The sun is dying.
How many lives live strange?
We have a doctorate in molecular biology.
And I ride a bike to work.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. So, I met an alien. He's a genius engineer. And if I can't understand what he's saying, he puts on a little puppet show for me and my tiny brain. His planet's dying too. We're here for the same reason. Grace, Rocky, save stars. Am I expendable? It's almost like you don't care if I die. Hold on, you have to talk about it?
The consensus here is that it would be preferable if you did not die.
Thanks, guys.
You're a great scientist, Dr. Grace. And a great human being. The world is counting on you.
In a champagne supernova in the sky. In a champagne supernova.
It's now or never. Call it fist bump, by the way. Fist my bump? No, it's fist bump. It's not the same.